Once upon a time, in a vast ocean, there was a beautiful and vibrant coral reef called Rainbow's End. The reef was home to a diverse array of fish, crustaceans, and other sea creatures. Among the inhabitants of Rainbow's End was a young clownfish named Luna. Luna was a curious and adventurous fish who loved to explore the reef and make new friends. One day, while swimming near the surface, Luna noticed a strange object floating in the distance. As she drew closer, she saw that it was a small, wooden box adorned with intricate carvings and a rusted lock. Luna's curiosity was piqued, and she decided to investigate further. She swam closer to the box and examined it carefully. Suddenly, the lock clicked open, and the box creaked as it swung open. Inside, Luna found a beautifully crafted wooden flute, a note, and a small map. The note read, "For the bravest and most curious of fish. Use the flute to summon the ancient sea turtle, Crusty. Follow the map to the hidden cave, where Crusty will reveal a secret that will change the fate of Rainbow's End. Yours truly, a fellow adventurer." Luna was both excited and intimidated by the challenge. She had never played a flute before, but she was determined to learn. She practiced day and night, and soon, the sweet sounds of the flute filled the reef. As she played, a wise old sea turtle named Crusty emerged from the depths. Crusty was impressed by Luna's bravery and determination and agreed to take her to the hidden cave. Together, they swam through the winding coral passages, following the map. Along the way, they encountered a playful dolphin named Daisy and a friendly octopus named Ollie, who joined their quest. When they arrived at the cave, Crusty revealed a hidden chamber filled with glittering treasures and ancient artifacts. In the center of the room, a large, leather-bound book lay open on a pedestal. Crusty explained that the book was the reef's ancient history and that it held the secrets of the reef's creation and magic. However, the book was incomplete, and the final page was missing. Luna and her friends offered to help Crusty find the missing page. They searched the reef, solving puzzles and riddles, until they finally found the last page hidden in a sunken ship. With the book complete, the reef's magic was restored, and Rainbow's End was once again filled with vibrant colors and life. Luna and her friends were hailed as heroes, and their legendary adventure was passed down through generations of sea creatures. From that day on, Luna continued to explore the reef, using her flute to summon Crusty and her friends whenever they were needed to defend the reef and its inhabitants. And the reef prospered, thanks to the bravery and curiosity of a small but mighty clownfish named Luna.